I'll guide you through how to find out who viewed your Telegram profile without third-party apps or fake tricks. If you're looking to know who is stalking you or who has viewed your profile on Telegram, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Since there is no direct feature in Telegram that shows who has viewed your profile, unlike other apps, you have to get creative. This method allows you to get an idea of who is visiting your profile. The first method is to post an engaging message. The key is to add a new post or message to your profile. Write a caption that encourages people to respond, such as, "How's your day?" or "Did you like the soccer game yesterday?" If someone messages you about that specific post, it indicates that they have seen your profile and profile picture. This works because, similar to most social media and messaging platforms, Telegram shows your activities more to those who view them the most. You can also use the People Nearby feature on Telegram to see users who are close to you. It's suggested that people who are close to you and are visible in this feature are likely to view your profile, because it's one feature that Telegram uses to encourage user interaction. By this, you have successfully used a clever method to infer who has viewed your Telegram profile. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.